My name's Jessica Stuhler. I'm 42 years old. I retired from the Air Force late last year. I went to, I think it was a Earth Fest or Earth Day or something like that in Scissortail Park, and that's where I saw Todd and Dirk. They had a little setup, and I was talking to them, and I'm like, you know what, I think this might be more of a possibility than I thought. Well, it's something I had been thinking about because what's better than making your own energy? Todd and Dirk answered a lot of my questions. How much does it cost? How long does it take? And then the company that I went with, they gave me a nice thorough process, the timeline and what to expect. And the solar company gave me an app, which is kind of nice too, where you can track how much the solar panels bring in, and so you can see that every day. They were really good. It was good customer service, and when I reach out, and they would get back to me and give me the information or the answers to the questions I had. And it's definitely a long-term investment, but I'm excited for it. It's like a journey, and to go through that and to slowly and surely reap more of the rewards.